Hello and welcome to this video / presentation about what is audio engineering. So I'm going to be using the audio engineering term to cover the entire recording process, and I'm going to be avoiding too much jargon or complicated terms because this video is not really targeted at advanced audio engineers or people who are doing this as a profession. This is more targeted towards people who would like to be doing this and also would like to know a little bit more about how it all works, how music's put together. The term audio engineering usually refers to just the mixing side of things, whereas again I'm going to focus on the entire process of putting together a song. So first off, who am I? So my name's Aaron. I'm a audio engineer. I've been recording music for a very long time, about 15-20 years now, and I've been recording bands throughout New Zealand, my own band, my own music, as well as bands I've played with, and yeah, I've just really had a passion and love for audio and audio engineering most of my life. I have also worked for the last 10 years or so as the category manager for audio at one of the largest retailers in New Zealand, where I was choosing and ranging the audio products. I'd say easily 50+% of all the home audio and portable audio products that New Zealand consumers brought over the last 5 or 10 years were put into those stores by me. So I've had a long history of audio through the listening and love of a massive variety of music, the actual recording process and recording myself and other musicians, as well as the playback systems and choosing those playback systems, hearing some of the best in the world, $80,000 headphones, just experiencing some of the coolest stuff, and choosing those products for New Zealanders to listen to their music. So I am very much about audio. Who are you? So you may be somebody who is just interested in as to how music is put together, how a song appears on the radio or appears on Spotify. You might just want to know or see behind the curtain a little bit and see how it's all done. You may also be a budding audio engineer. You may love audio engineering and have your own project studio, or you may want to start up your own project studio and record your own music at home. So this is suitable for you. First I'm going to have a breakdown of audio engineering. Then I'm going to give you a couple of examples of audio engineering. Then I'm going to get you to help me mix a song. So obviously you won't be physically doing this with me, but you can see how a song is basically mixed. And next time you'll get to mix a song together, and that'll either could be in person, if I come to your place and spend a set time training you up on audio engineering, and we'll get to mix a song together. Otherwise it could be through a future video where I might upload some multi-tracks for you guys to have a play with and do some mixing. So basically this time it's going to be all about the theory, and then next time we meet up around the subject, again hopefully in person, we'll be able to do some practical examples of audio engineering. But first I'm going to stress a very important point, and that is music is art and art is personal. So things I'll be discussing here or things I'll be suggesting or explaining, it is all part of a big art form in which there is many interpretations. Something that I might suggest might not sound so good, you might think sounds amazing. Something that you might like, I might not. A certain, like a drum kit being loud or quiet, or a way something's recorded, it's all personal, it's all art, and those different interpretations are what really create music and the art that it is. And that's why you have such a massive variety of music out there, and massive variety in genres, and even within the same genre there's a massive variety of sounds again, so keep that in mind.